Let's get started with a perfect mannequin shoot for your apparel. Once you have set up for the photo shoot, select your product category and subcategory. On the camera screen, the overlays will guide you where to position your product. You may orient your phone using the tilt icon and the horizontal line. For a mannequin shoot, you need to click 3 angles for every product: the front, back, and a zoom shot on the reverse side of the neck. The done icon will activate once you have clicked on all the necessary angles and they have been uploaded. Now name the project, which should ideally be the same as you would want for your listings. Once you create the project, you will get access to a library of backgrounds relevant to your product category. Simply select the one you like and preview your image. Click on Continue to Order and confirm your project. You will see an order confirmation screen displaying your credit usage. Our AI will now do its magic, which will also be checked by our team of experts, and you will get back ready to use high-quality images in your gallery and email inbox. That's how simple it is to create pro photos on Mannequin.